Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to sing a good manner song, so let's start. Please remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or when you cough. Use a tissue and wash your hands. That is always the best plan. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please are kind words to say, you'll see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Thank you.